Meaning of drudge.
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 Drudge. The word drudge refers to someone who does hard, menial work, often for very low pay. A drudge is someone who performs tasks that are considered to be boring, repetitive, or unpleasant, and who works long hours for little reward. This type of work is often physically demanding and can leave a person feeling tired, stressed, and undervalued. Despite its negative connotations, there are many people who work as drudges and who take pride in doing their job well, even if it is not considered glamorous or prestigious.